Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Park Mobile Parking Not Allowed fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your app store, and then once you're here, tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then on the search bar, type in Park Mobile app. Now once it loads, simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back, and then on your home screen tap on settings. Now once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on general. Now once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage. Now inside iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll down until you find the Park Mobile app and then tap on it, and then on tapping you'll find two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process is complete, all you gotta do is go back and then try again, and that will fix your issue. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.